and welcome back! You might know Tunee, but it's back to disrupt the industry with an economical way to create music videos. Tunee gives you powerful features like its conversational AI, which lets you chat with it however you like. Plus, you can optimize results with fast mode or web deep search mode. If you're new to Tunee, the full guide is linked in the description. This video is going to be a little long as we check out few different styles. While the core tools are the same, the music video creation is massively improved. I just uploaded a music video file and had the AI create new similar music for me. Don't forget, you can easily choose and change styles whenever you like. The AI handles all the work. Now, let's dive into creating the music video. Start by choosing your song. I'll pick this one now. In the menu, you'll see Create MV. Also, you can use the magic pen tool under the music. You can use it to refine the music or instantly jump into music video creation. The old option costs 200 to 300 credits per minute, but the Sora 2 option is an insane upgrade. It's only 80 credits per minute. This allows you to create a full music video using the same amount of credits. Since you get 150 free daily credits, you can generate roughly 2 minutes of music video content every day for free. Start by picking the location and duration, then choose a style. They have tons of options here. If a story isn't what you like, just switch to dance mode. You can also add lyrics and a custom prompt. We will use the prompt section later. I'm sure you're worried about the 15-second limit, right? Don't be. I'll show you exactly how to extend the duration later. As you already saw, I created all the videos using this method. But how did I extend the duration? Well, the trick is to first use the AI to create your desired scenes with constant characters. Then, you simply ask it to split those scenes, and you use the resulting clips to create your longer music videos. So, I only gave the AI my music and the duration. As you can see, the duration is actually long. If you want to define something like characters, this is where you need to do it. After that, the AI gives you the final style and prompt for each section, and all you need is to paste it into the platform. Also, don't worry about the prompting. I'll give you the master instruction prompt to use in any AI. Next, use any app to attach the clips. I used Premiere here, adding nothing in between. That's all there is to it. The moment is here. Let's watch the video we just created.
I'm already high above your noise, your narrow sky. City breeze, and so do I. Watch me glide where you can't fly.
My name is Kai. It's truly a pleasure to see you again. Do you remember the song we created in the last video? Let me remind you. We used the Vibe MV option for that video, which is the same tool I'm showing now. You select the duration and style, but notice the credits. 260 for this one. Now, let's create a new one, but this time using Sora 2. What about this music here? Let's create the video for it. This is the one I chose. I created this 2-minute video using the same method, styled in film noir. I'm actually incredibly proud of this one. Let's watch it together.
islar fornar sögur tíminn pislar á vígvöllum skuggar dansa eilíf bíður sálir svansa Valhöll kallnar krigarna reina
Now that you've mastered the technique, let's quickly generate a few more clips. We'll use different styles and different languages to truly demonstrate Tunee's global power. This one is truly emotional, which is perfect for a cinematic look. I hope this showcase helps you save your credits by letting you see which styles work best, without having to test them all yourself.
Did you count on my return?
Next, let's see the old 1970s romance style clip. How about Pastel romance? For the grand finale, let's check out the IMAX epic style creation.
ses portes, je veux voler vers toi, ami de Nord. Chante avec moi cette douleur qui dort. Qu'elle devienne mia aux ânes de la mort. Ton nom dans la brise en famille.
To unlock more features and massive credit bundles, check out the economical plans available on the Tunee platform. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive. Thank you all for watching.